Astro Tater.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode here on my channel, and today we are playing Black Ops 3 with the one, the only Josh X Mind. Those of you know him from the prior series that we still need to record a little bit more on, which is Dark Souls 3. Go ahead and say hey.
Hey, what's up, guys?
So today, actually, I gotta turn you down a little bit because you are a bit loud. So today we are going to be playing Nuketown Shotguns only, specifically the Argus. So last time we played this, Josh got really angry at me. He accused me of quote-unquote hacking.
So much.
So without further ado, let's go and hop right into it. So we are
Forget the zero.
allowed to use our person's special ability. That was one thing that was decided in the last video, as well as the times that we played just one-on-one. Pick your shotgun. I can't remember if this was the one that I was using last time or if it was the other one, so we're gonna have to fiddle around with it again.
All right, sounds good. Begin. Oof.
Yep.
I chose the wrong direction. Start of a bad streak. Let's go.
It's not that bad. What? There you go.
Oh, nice. I was like, where did he go?
I know, I was too, and I had to like turn really hard. Oh, nice. Here we go.
You. You didn't spawn over there.
Yep, I saw you too. I was like, wait, what?
You didn't spawn over there. Oh, yes,
Yeah, I
you did.
did.
Thank you. I was like, oh, that must have been like perfectly. I didn't see you when I was running. Nice. Oh, what? Let me see this. Let me see this. Ooh,
That
nice.
was pretty
nice.
mean, yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Pretty. Oh, nice.
Oh, headshot too.
Ah.
There you
Oh. Man, you're so good at following.
go. Where did you go?
Did you? Oh, you're right there. Got it. Oh, come on, man.
I even took my time on that one.
Yeah, like I'm so confused. And like, I mean, you're used to getting headshots, so I guess I understand that. Like, the farther up you are, the better chance you have of getting it. I'm just not that accurate.
Oh, dude.
You literally zoomed into my scope. There couldn't have been a better shot. You didn't even have to move it. Oh.
Hello? Oh, I fired too. See, this one you actually...
No. Why'd you get quiet?
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, got it.
You have the spawn ground.
True. Oh. Back up here. Oh.
What? What?
Yes.
What?
Yes. Thank you all.
Oh my god, the sliding doesn't work in this game. I'll hit the slide button and it just doesn't work.
I actually might need to change my sensitivity a little bit. That might be part of the issue. Just. You come to me, good sir. Why don't you come here?
Oh, you bitch! I knew
Yes.
you were running around.
I called it.
Yep.
Hello?
Hello?
I'm going off right now, boy.
Yeah, you really are.
Oh. Gives me hype. Oh, shit. Oh,
There we go.
nice. There it goes. I said something and now it's ended.
Hello? How is your shotgun hitting? Oh, you weren't using a shotgun.
Did you notice? Have a very special shot right now. Ooh, nice shot. Oh, really? It's spawn kill? Let's go.
It was bad.
Oh, you still had that thing?
Yep.
I thought you ran out.
Nope.
I thought you only had 6 shots.
I only used 3 of them.
Oh, dang. It's that good, huh? Oh, nice. I thought I was too far away.
There we
Nice
go.
shot.
Just trying to warm back up into it.
Sir.
Dang.
Ooh, that was good.
Ah,
Oh, shit.
hello?
Oh,
No melee.
Panic. I'm sorry, Panic Melee. I claim Panic Melee.
Panic melee. Hello?
Oh my god.
What? No melee.
I don't know where you are.
There you are.
No.
You ran around me.
I tried. It didn't work, but I tried. Oof.
Damn. Where were you? Where'd you spawn?
I was in the house. I was in the orange house.
Gotcha.
I was trying to follow you because I thought you might have gone around to try and get me back, and yeah.
Alright, let's try and switch it up.
All right.
So
Oh, you're gonna
choose
switch to the other
class.
Argus?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, man, I was like, so I like wait to like, wait. Okay. I like wait to like wait for you to drop into it. I think that's my problem is I'm waiting for you to drop into my scope, and I need to not do that.
Alright, thank you for killing me. Now I actually
Yeah,
can
you're welcome.
switch. Oh gosh, my game's lagging.
Oh,
Okay.
good.
Yep, I think.
Oh crap.
Damn. Oh, you're using the pistol. Damn, dude. I am just not
I had the better
on
ground.
point.
You were in the open. I had a door.
Hello?
Oh, nice. Dang it! The stupid mannequin got in my way. Oh, there you are. You can't hit me from over there, noob. Stop trying. Oh, nice. Tried to rush. Oh, I hit you. What? How did that get a hit, not death? You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Get out of there. Stop trying to run out of bounds.
It's not like I do it on purpose.
I know. Ooh, that was good. That was good. I scoped in ready for it, and then you said nope.
Hello? Lag? What the heck?
You're outside of bounds again.
I know! My fucking thing keeps glitching up on me. Like, I'll try and drag scope, and it's just, like, choppy as heck. It's like I dropped, like, 60 frames.
Ooh. That's scary. I didn't know where you were. Hello. Oh, come on. I literally shot you in the head.
Took my time on that one, too.
Yeah, I know. Good. Oh. What? What's your deal with, like, able to snapshot me? Like, what kind of skill is that? I'd like to have that skill. It'd be really nice. Especially when I snap to you and then you don't die. That's real nice. Like that. You know, I zoom in and I shoot you, but, you know, it doesn't do anything. Fine. It's fine. No worries.
Oh my god,
Ooh,
the
got
mannequin
that
got in the
headshot.
way when I shot. The mannequin blocked it.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
One kill? Question mark? Oh man, I thought I was gonna be sneaky and you wouldn't expect me down there, but guess not.
Dang. I keep firing, and I think I fire on you, but then I die, and I'm like, oh.
Oh, wait. Oh. Oh no! Oh God, we're going to 25! No!
We're going to round two.
forgot. I thought we were going to 50. I was like,
going to
alright,
round
we
two.
got plenty of time. I'm catching up.
I'm just like, oh, hi.
Oop. Yeah, I didn't even have a chance. Dang it, that was good. That was good.
See, that wasn't as much of a blowout.
Yeah, see, that was better. I'm better at shotgun in general, just cause.
It wasn't like last time.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. What? Were you in the? Yeah, you're up there. Okay. I was like that's what I'm saying. Like, people don't go up there. You don't do that. But you know, you did it. Ooh, lag, like. Tap, please. All right.
You
Not.
yeah, I know.
Yours
you're-
lagging?
A little bit, yeah. It was at the very beginning.
I'm lagging like super bad now. Oh, all right, we're good again. I don't know what that was.
Damn. Dang, dude.
Oh, nice. Using the car. Nice. Not. Oh my god. What? What? Dude, how did you even hit me there? Freaking spawn killing noob over here.
I don't know what you mean.
Uh-huh, Mr. Spawn Killer Noob. Dude. Oh my gosh. I literally shot you and it's like, no, you're gonna shoot between the legs, man. I think I'm gonna let you shoot between my legs today.
Why'd you get quiet?
Don't worry about it. I'm trying to listen. Well, I was trying to listen for you, but you know, then it just didn't happen.
See? You're making your shots.
So that was what's supposed to happen when I aim. You run into where I'm aiming, not you run. You're trying to run into where I'm aiming, but then you shoot me before I could even do that. That's what happens a lot of times.
I saw you too. I was trying to line up
I
the
know.
shot.
I saw you run into the car. What? Did I miss you again? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Good job. Good use of that, man. Good use of that. That was good. Oh, nice. You had the sack. You had the shot time. Oh my gosh. I need to stop doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, seriously? Can you stop the spawn killing? I literally can't get out of there.
Stop running to the same spot. You literally run for the same area every time.
Because that's where you are!
I know. How?
Ooh.
Oh, you're using the pistol.
Ooh, I'm happy with that. That was a nice snap. Ooh, freaking camper! Oh my god! Try to literally wait for my annihilator, you freaking little noob.
Yeah.
Wow, I see how it is. Yeah, I'm watching you. You don't even know I'm watching you right now. Yeah, run away. Yeah, like scared little boy. Where did you go?
I don't know. Where did I go?
I don't know. Where did you go? Hello.
Goodbye.
Said hello. Hello. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oof. Sliding, man. Really helpful. Oh, I had the timing, but I missed
The
my
drag
shot.
scope.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Man, I can't even look over there in time.
Oh, my game fucking glitched up there.
Yeah, my game did too.
What the heck? My game keeps dropping so many frames.
Right.
So,
Still doing it?
yep. Every time we get into a confrontation, it's like, nope.
Okay, let's just run towards each other. No shooting. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna shoot.
Yeah, mine,
Still doing
like,
it?
it drops like a couple frames every time. That's weird.
Alright, we good?
Yep.
Ooh, nice. Didn't get the landing shot. Oof. Oh, come on, man. I shot. Okay, seriously? Why? I literally shoot and it doesn't hit, and then you shoot and it hit. Like, what is this accuracy, dude? I'm telling you, you have godlike accuracy.
No.
There we go.
Oh my god, if you could only see my frame rate right there. Wow, wow. I was so focused on like in front of me, like I didn't even see you.
I got the little like, hey, what's up, man?
Oh god, wait. I hit my
Okay.
W key.
Oh, come on, man, really? You're just gonna fade away like that and shoot me? I was gonna run away and reset.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, so then you spawn kill me? 2 free kills. 2. Okay, 3. Alright, man. You know what? You know, if you're not even gonna give me a free kill, that's
Okay,
fine.
I'll give you a free kill.
Yeah, got it.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, friend.
Woo!
You started catching on, and then you know, just 4 free kills. That's fine.
4 free kills? Alright.
Yep. You know. I would have been at 17, but you know, you had to just fade away, and then you know, I was gonna come get my free kill, then you killed me again. So I came to get my 2 free kills, and you killed me. So that was 3. Oh man.
Alright,
That's
one
not
last
so
one.
good.
One
All
last
right,
one.
all right.
I
Come
say
back
that.
We'll see. You gonna be upstairs again? No. Where you at, boyo?
I don't know, where are you at?
I'm waiting for you to pop out so I can shoot you in the face. Oh, how did you get over there?
How'd you
What
get
the
over
heck?
there?
Whatever.
Oh wow. Damn, that wall saved you so badly. Damn, dude, I wish my shots were on point. That'd been nice.
Oh,
You tried to melee me!
I didn't melee you! It's a panic melee, dude! I'm used to hardcore where melees kill. No.
What? Okay.
It's a kid.
So far, 4-0 not going well.
Hello, friend? Friend?
Hello?
Would you like to come back? Hello? 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 Oh no,
Goodbye.
the bus stopped me! It was like, nah, you can't go this way. Ooh, nice.
Ooh.
That was a good little back step. Ooh.
I heard something come out. I thought I heard it to my right. Apparently
From
not.
that way. Alright. I think that's what I'm gonna have to try and do, but you don't always do it. Oh, hello. Oh. I was not expecting you with the car, man. That was honestly good.
What the fuck, game? Register my shots, please.
We both got hits, but not kills. Arrow. Oh. Man, why are you just chilling back there? Are you gonna come run out and be a man?
Damn, what the? How did you spawn there?
I did it. I ran there. I was right in the middle. Oh, come on.
Oh,
you
Jesus.
backstepped again. Dude, okay, so my range doesn't hit you, but your range does, question mark?
Question mark?
Again.
Oh, that was
What?
nasty.
What? Okay, game, thanks for not registering my shot, you know. Just won't kill him that time. Oh, hello.
Hi.
You wanna do that again?
No. You want to come out here?
No, but I am gonna go over here. You're not gonna know where I am. You're over here now.
Interesting.
Oof, called out. Oh no, good job.
How come you never load in on the other side?
So the way it works is basically if you're halfway, it's going to spawn me over by the orange house. That's just how the spawn works. But if you're over here close enough, it will spawn me over at the other side. So. Dude, literally? Literally. So see how you're over there now? So now
Yeah.
it spawned me over by the blue. So now you're not, and it's gonna spawn me by the orange. Get it?
Yep.
Dude, I shot you. Stop. All right, I'm about to accuse you, boy. I'm about to accuse you. Okay, okay. That was fine. That was fine.
See, you got me there.
Yeah, I had to fake you out. Okay. What is your range on that? Like, I have long barrel on here too, buddy.
Wait. Whoa.
What?
That was so weird. Alright.
What happened?
As soon as I saw your shadow go up, like my entire game froze.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're lagging a little bit. Oh, dude, really? I was sitting there.
You were
I
running
wasn't even
around.
doing anything.
Alright, here.
Dude,
Come and kill me. Come and kill me.
You literally
Come
said
and kill
wait.
me. Come and kill
You
me.
said wait.
Where are you? I'm right here. I'm right behind you. You'd be dead by now.
Ah, noob. Oof, nice. Strafe, good strafe.
What? Hello?
Well, it didn't even register my first shot, so I mean, bro, that was a no-scope shot, and it didn't even register. Hello, friend.
Hello.
Dude, again, what is with you and not getting shot? How many hits was that now? Like 7?
Damn. All right, nice.
Oh, that was just luck, man. That was just luck. You got Annihilator. Careful with that.
Annihilator.
No, really? Dude, it stopped me from sliding!
Exactly. Am I wrong?
What is this? Oh, come on. Why do you slide a millisecond more forward? I was ready.
I know you were.
Oh, come on,
Whoa.
man. How do you aim when you're moving like that?
I zoom out and then zoom back in and hope that my flicks get you.
You're so good at those flicks, man. Like that's my problem is I can't flick like that at all. Like at all.
Damn, I had my 4th shot going off too. Hello? No scope much? Oh!
Yes. Come
I
on.
wanna watch that. Yeah, no
Good.
scope. Yep. Right when I started to run too.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh God! I didn't think you were over there. That scared me. Oh what?
Got
Oh, we
him!
had the same thought. That was good. That was good. That was good. Buddy. Hey, what's
Hi.
up?
Oh,
Evie?
yep.
Okay, good. I was just watching you like, hello. I'm just gonna leave. What? Dude, I shot you so bad. Oh my god.
Watch this.
Let me see this. Let me see this.
I was like, wait, nope. Turn, heard you, and I was
And
like,
shoot. Like, look at that. I shot, and like, as you shot, you like phased to the right. Like, what is this? I call hacking.
Alright,
Good
guys.
games, man. Good game.
GG's. We're gonna leave it right there. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of weapons you guys want to see us run next time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Josh, you have anything to say?
Nah, man. Thanks as always. Great games, even if I'm competitive and don't like losing.
Alright, guys. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell notifications. That way you guys get notified every single time I upload. Think that's it for today. Expect more videos coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do right by others, and don't forget, may the stars be with you, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.